everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new styles when it comes to Undercounter refrigerators. Okay, this is going to be an all stainless steel unit, very good quality. Brand on the unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure the unit for you, exterior measurements as well as interior. Okay, to start with exterior and the length, you're looking at 71.5 inches for the length. All right, front to back, 29.5 inches. And the overall height, you're looking at a total of 35.5 inches of the overall height. Okay, now let's go ahead and show you the inside of this unit. As you can see, there's 3 doors on the front that are going to be all automatic closing doors. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and open them up, show you the inside. As you can see, there's shelves on the inside. You have a total of 3 shelves, 1 for each section that will be provided. Now inside measurements, front to back, you're looking at 17 inches. Overall length, you're looking at a total of 67 inches of the overall length. Okay, and the height, you're looking at a total of 24 inches of the overall height. Also on the inside, there's a thermometer provided and instruction book, user manual. Also on the side, there's stickers with your specs, circuit diagram, and certification. Okay, so all the information regarding the unit can be located on the inside of the unit. Okay, so that's your inside. Now let's go ahead and show you the back of this unit. And on the back is where you're going to locate your plug for the unit. It is a standard US plug for this unit, and you can also locate your control for temperature. So control for temperature and your plug are located on the back of this unit. As we mentioned, this is an Undercounter 3-door refrigerator. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. That is where we're going to have all the information regarding the unit, including the price. And if you have any other questions regarding maybe this unit or another size, you can give us a call and we can help you guys out. Thank you for watching.